Hi everybody, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. On Monday, we expect the week to kick off slowly as a lack of statistics hit the market, but there may be a few trading opportunities in the euro with the release of the Business Climate Index from the agency IFO. On Tuesday, during the European session, the market will focus on quarterly GDP numbers from the UK, which have been on the up recently, and we may see the British pound receive some support on the back of more good news. In the American session, the focus will be on the latest durable goods orders from the US for the month of September. This number will be closely monitored by traders as well as the US Federal Reserve as they attempt to lift interest rates, and we expect volatility in the US dollar. On Wednesday during the Asian session, we'll see the release of the latest consumer price index figures from Australia. The market's now pricing in a 60% chance the RBA will cut rates this year, so this figure will be closely watched, and we expect volatility in the Australian dollar. The highlight of the day will be the latest interest rate decision from the US Federal Reserve. We don't expect any changes in rates, although this is not a certainty, and we expect extreme volatility in the US dollar surrounding this news. The market's now pricing in a 30% chance that the US bank will lift interest rates before the end of the year. On Thursday, during the Asian session, we'll see the release of the latest interest rate decision from the Bank of New Zealand, where we expect volatility in the New Zealand dollar. Later in the US session, we'll see the latest quarterly GDP figures from the US, which came in above expectations last month, and we should see the dollar climb on the back of more good news. On Friday, during the Asian session, we'll see the release of the Index of Business Confidence from October from the fourth largest bank in New Zealand, ANZ. The number's been underperforming lately, and we may see the New Zealand dollar suffer on more disappointing news. In the American session, the University of Michigan will release statistics on consumer sentiment and inflation for the month of September. This number came in positive last month, and we may see a strong finish to the week for the US dollar if the number satisfies investors. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.